Hello students, today we are going to revise for your quarterly examination. I selected some important uh, behalf starting from the first lesson. I selected the first question, second question from exercise 1.6. For what values of kx minus 2y plus z equal to 1 and x minus 2ky plus z is equal to minus 2, then x minus 2y plus kz is equal to 1. So this is the last topic of first lesson. First of all, you just make the matrix form. So already I taught you how to form the matrix form. So you write the matrix form is equal to form. You write the coefficient of x, y, z of one matrix. Then you write the variable x, y, z. Then you write the right hand side value. We denote ax equal to b. X as a variable x, y, z, and a have all the coefficient of x, y, z. So first you select x coefficient is k. Second y coefficient is minus 2. And third z coefficient is 1. Here x coefficient 1, here minus 2k, and here 1. The last equation 1 minus 2, then k. B is a value 1 minus 2 1. So that's all the first step. We form the matrix from the given system of linear equation. Second, you write the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is nothing but A, B. That is, you join with the A and B, only numbers without the variable. K minus 2, 1, 1, then 1 minus 2, K, 1, then minus 2, again 1 minus 2, K and 1. That is the second step. Now, we are going to check the first element. If you start before the rank of matrix, you just analyze the first number, what kind of number. That number should be in 1. If suppose there is no 1 means, it will be there. But if you have a chance, the second row having 1 of the first number. So you have to exchange. This is R1, R2, R3. So I exchange, I denote like this, denote here. R2, exchange R3. So you change write the first row, 1 minus 2k, 1 minus 2, then second row k minus 2, 1 and 1, 1 minus 2, k, 1. So that is the second step, finished. So far we finished to start with the rank of matrix. Now we will find out the rank of matrix of A, B. The next step, already you know that. So we subtract the first row from second row, multiply with the first number. So the first number is k, so we multiply k to the first row. And the third row, first number 1, so we multiply 1 into R1, R1. That is the second step. R2 minus, gives R2 minus k into R1. First you multiply, roughly calculation of R1. So I consider like that, k R1 is equal to k and minus k square. K into 2k, k square, then k and minus 2k. Next, we subtract R2. So you write R2, the top number. R2 is k and minus 2, then 1 and 1. Now we subtract. Change the symbol. The new symbol, I mean the new row is R2, new row. K and K cancel. That is, this is 2K, I mean this is 0, 2K square minus 2. Because this has plus and 1 minus K, then plus 1 plus 2K. So the new row will become like this. You write 0, 2K square minus 2 and 1 minus K, then 1 plus 2K. Next step is R3 gives R3 minus R1. So you write R3. R3 is 1 minus 2 K1 and R1 value. That is without multiplication of R1. Whatever, yeah, directly you write 1 minus 2K, 1 minus 2. Subtraction. Then 1 minus 1, 0. Then minus 2 plus 2K, K minus 1. Then 1 plus 2, 3. So the new row of third is 0 and minus 2 plus 2K, K minus 1, then 3. So that is the new matrix. Again we are going to make the row Euclidean form. The row Euclidean form means we will start with 0 from here and end with here. So the next plan is we are going to make a 0 of these place. So what are the possibilities to make a 0 in this place? Just guess. The next step is we are going to simplify this and this. This 0, we take 2 is a common. So that is K square minus 1, 1 minus K, 1 plus 2K. And next is 0, take 2 as a common. So K minus 1, K minus 1, 3. Now we will simplify this step. K square means the next step will come, that is 0, 2 into, that is A square minus 1. So I rewrite A square minus B square formula as like, that is A plus B into A minus B. So 2 into K minus 1 into K plus 1. So next 1 minus K and 1 plus 2K. And last also 0, 2 into K minus 1 and K minus 1, 3. Now we easily cancel it because K minus 1 here, K minus 1 here. So if you make 0 here, then next step is you just guess R3 gives R3 minus. If what term will be come here, then it will be eradicated. So I multiply K plus 1 to R for R3, then I minus. So I write K plus 1 into R3 and minus R2. Now easily cancel it. So you write the remainder rows 0, 2 into K plus 1 into K minus 1. Then 1 minus K minus 2, 1 plus 2K. 0. If you multiply, the new row is 2 into K plus 1, K minus 1. And subtract, it will be 0. And there is K minus 1 already is there. So if you multiply that is K plus 1 into K minus 1. If you minus value, 1 minus K. So it will be multiplied K square and minus K, then plus K minus 1 and minus 1 plus K. It will be cancelled, K square minus 2 plus K. So it will become a quadratic equation. You will write k square plus k plus 2 is equal to 0. If you do the multiplication, there is 2k by 2 by 1 plus 1. So it will become, by using the factoring method, that is 1 into minus 2. So 1 and 2. If you add means you will get minus 1 plus 1. So I denote minus 1. So it will become k plus 1 into k minus 1, k minus 2. And the last step is also we need the space. Now we have the next step is k plus 2. So next we are going to, already I found the k square plus k minus k, the factor is k plus 1 into k minus 2. Now we guess the k value, then it will change the matrix. If now we satisfy the three conditions, the system has no solution, unique solution, infinitely many solution, which means we derived with the rank of matrix and found the answer. First you select if k equal to 1 means, so what will happen here? K is equal to 1 means that is minus 1. I select minus 1. K is equal to minus 1 because k is equal to minus 1, k is equal to plus 2. I select k is equal to minus 1. You put minus 1 here, this also 0. So already you know this is the a value. So rank of a is equal to 0. We have the remaining value only 1 and 2 rows. And the rank of a comma b, it will not be 0. So that is 3. So P of a is not equal to pro of a comma b. So if these conditions will come means we will write the system is inconsistent and it has no solution. That is no solution. Next we are going to satisfy the second condition, which is unique solution. The next one is if k is equal to is not equal to minus 1, k is not equal to 9, not 2 means we have P of a is equal to 3 and pro of a comma is equal to 3. Both are equal means then the system is consistent and it has unique solution. If k is equal to 2 means we have P of a, the rank matrix a is 2 and P of a comma also 2. If both are equal but that is less than a number of unknown, here less than of unknown is 3. So that is the less than value, then the system is consistent and it has infinitely many solutions. So that's all the answer. You just try like this. Work out many sums and try to get more marks.